Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys how I quickly put these twists in my hair. I made some mistakes when I did it. The first time I did it, I didn't make these mistakes, so I'll talk you through the mistakes that I made. But this is the Nubian twist hair. It's what it looks like when you pull it out of the pack. I really like the hair, but I made a mistake at the end, and I'll share with you what not to do. But anyway, this is how it looks when I was almost done with it. I'm just on this section, and I want to show you how I did it. All I did was braid it in like I was doing any individual braid, and then I twisted it all the way down to the bottom. I stretched the hair out just to make it a little bit fluffier, and then I twisted or braided the hair in and then twisted it all the way down to the end. For some of the hair, after I stretched the hair out, I separated it into two strands, and I used half of the strand instead of using the entire strand. It just depended on how I was feeling, but you could just use the whole thing if you want to. My goal was just to get these in quickly because I didn't want to take a whole lot of time. I didn't want them to look super neat. I wanted them to look very natural, so I didn't care about parting or making it look super duper neat. So yeah. If you pay attention to the ends of the hair, you'll see like the top part of the hair is kind of like bouncy and the ends are kind of straightened out and stretched out. That's the mistake I made. The last time I did this hairstyle, I really loved it, but I wanted to like curl the ends. So I put perm rods on the ends and I dipped it in hot water, and it stretched out the curl, and it stretched out, it took the bounce away from the hair, and it really made me mad. So I don't like the way the ends look at all, but I have to work with it. I probably end up putting it in updos because I really hate the way the ends look. They look stringy and stretched out and just ugh. But it was a quick hairstyle. It took me like 4.5 hours to put the twist in. So yeah, peace.